It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today magluluto tayo ng isang recipe that is very close to my heart. Are you ready? Let's get cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of the Simpol cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And Cebu-Style steam fried rice is very much like the Hokkien fried rice na egg fried rice topped with a very nice sauce of pork and shrimp. No? So this recipe has two parts. It has the egg fried rice and we also have the pork and shrimp stew. So sometimes you can have also beef. Ang iba-ibang versions, but the most popular is the pork and shrimp version. So we start off with our egg fried rice. So I'll just heat up my pan here. Yan. And I'm going to beat 2 eggs. So I have 5 cups of rice. Ito, dapat kaning lamig yung gamit natin. So for all of us na maraming bahaw sa bahay, yan, sobrang matutuwa ditong recipe natin today. So we have here soy sauce. We're using Silver Swan soy sauce, a very classic soy sauce brand na more than 80 years nang ginagawa sa Philippines. I'm just using my fork. Yan, kailangan kaning lamig para buhaghag siya. You see, we've already combined our soy sauce and our rice. And we just add our beaten egg. Yan. So this is a very traditional preparation. Yan. As long as you combine the soy sauce and the egg. And we heat up some oil. It's around 2 tablespoons of oil. And we just fry our rice. Yan. So when I moved to Manila years ago, ito yung isa sa namimiss ko na recipes dito. But I discovered sa mga Chinese restaurants dito sa Manila, merong version nito, yun nga yung Hokkien fried rice. So alam ko na, ganun pala, yun pala yung origin niya. Yan, so we're just frying our rice just like normal fried rice. Yan. And on the other pot, here, I'm going to start on my stew. And I will just heat up some oil. And we saute our garlic. So once you smell the aroma of the garlic, yan, you add your onions. So we're using a red onion which is minced. Saute din natin siya until it becomes translucent. Ibig sabihin ng translucent, medyo nagiging see-through siya, no? Naging clear ng konti. Yan. Our rice is done. Yan, okay na to. Yan, we just leave it here to cool. You add our pork, so we're using around 400 grams of minced pork. No, medyo malaki siya, diced up siya. So around 1/4 inch, no? Or 1/3 inch yung laki. And we season, of course, we season it with a little bit of salt. Always remember to season your food while you cook. Konti lang, just to bring out the flavors. Yan, we saute our pork. Once you see the pork has turned white, nakita natin na saute na siya, we can now add our water. Yan. So, 5 cups of water. I will just season it with a little bit of soy sauce. We're using, again, Silver Swan soy sauce, around 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a teaspoon of sugar. Yan. And I'll cover my pot until it boils. Yan. In the meantime, meron tayong shrimps. I'm going to dice my shrimp. So, usually ginagamit doon is the smaller shrimps, but this is the shrimps I have at home. Cut it into small pieces. And usually, pag meron kang shrimp kasi or seafood in your dish, especially pag oriental or mga Chinese dishes, you always add a hint of ginger, no? Just to brighten up the flavor. And as soon as my pot of pork boils, yan, kumulo na siya, I will just add my slurry, no? So to thicken it, I will add my slurry, which is the cornstarch and the water. And we'll prepare all the other ingredients. And our pot of pork has been cooking for 12 minutes now, and I'm sure it's tender because we're using fresh options pork. What we need to do now is to add the other ingredients na hindi pa natin nalagay. So, because our pork is already cooked, we will now add our shrimp, our diced shrimp, our sweet peas, 1/2 cup of frozen sweet peas. Yan. Our ginger juice. And we season with, of course, salt and pepper. Around probably a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of salt and black pepper. And, of course, to finish the dish, I will add sesame oil for that nutty aroma. And we're ready to plate. Yan, we just get, around a cup. Hating kapatid. Yan. Of course, leave room for the sauce. Yan. So here it is, our version of steamed fried rice, Cebu style. Try it at home. Kayang-kaya niyo ito kasi tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!